Hello everybody, this will be Octember fail number 4, and I guess this has got a sub-Octember failure. I had recorded the intro to this before I fixed it, and apparently it didn't take. So this is an after it's been repaired, and I'll kind of go through a review of what happened. One day I was getting ready, and like any other day, I'll come and open the drawer, and I've got my socks and underwear in there. So I go to pull on it, and this handle just falls right out in my hand and falls on the floor. So I had to jam a screwdriver in there where I could get the drawer open, and I had just been leaving it out, partially out like that for several weeks. Finally got around to it and fixed the drawer, so we'll pick up in the other room where I continued on with the video and actually recorded it. So I got the old one out. You can see what the issue is with it. The little nub is completely worn off where there's not enough material there to hold the handle in place. I'll try to fix that out in the workshop. I think what I can do is drill that out and put a nail or a screw in there or something, and that should give it enough material to grab where the handle won't pull out. And we'll compare it to the new one, or the replacement one. You can see there's a lot more material there. Let's get that popped in there. And while I had this drawer out and all taken apart, I went ahead and did a Howard's Restore Finish job on it, and it turned out pretty nicely. This Dixie Campaigner furniture dates to the mid-70s, 75, 76. Here's the Restore Finish I used. Just followed the directions on the can, and it came out looking pretty nice. Got a little chip there. I might need to do a stain marker or something on there and cover that up. I'm not going to re-veneer it and all that. No need to. It's in good enough shape. But that's working nicely. I can reload and put the drawer back in the nightstand. And a few minutes later, here it is all put back together like nothing ever happened. That replacement part is a perfect match. So once again, Octember fail number 4. The Dixie Campaigner nightstand had a handle break, and it is now fixed. Thank you for watching.